Understand that prospects lie all the time. So this will be the number one thing you need to think about. When somebody tells you, let me think about it, several things are at play. Nobody likes to be told no. We all want a yes, but for you to get a yes, usually the normal thing is you would have gone through several no's. Hey, Sam Ozani here. I'm so excited to be with you here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to properly handle objections, and most especially when the prospect says, I want to think about it. Have you ever shown the business to anybody? You shown the business to a prospect, and then the prospect just says, okay, this is beautiful, this is awesome, this is nice, but I need to think about it. Have you ever seen that kind of situation where you've used your heart, you've poured out your heart to the prospect, and the prospect just says, okay, this is awesome, I love it, but let me think about it. That's the objection that nobody wants to hear, especially when everything seems to be going so well. You've shown the business, and then you are just waiting to now close the person, and then of course to have the person join your team or maybe buy something from you, and then the person says, let me think about it. Oh, it can be shattering for some people, especially new people in network marketing. Newbies in network marketing, especially those of them that they saw the business and they didn't think about it, they just joined. So new prospect in network marketing wonder why prospect don't join the business. Because they remember how they saw the business, and they remember vividly that they actually started the business immediately. If you're in network marketing, especially new people in network marketing, and then after seeing the presentation or the tool or whatever exposure, you joined immediately, you are the one that this kind of objection will affect the most, because you're wondering, why is it that people will not join the business? You know, the business is amazing. It's an amazing opportunity, and somebody has seen the opportunity, and all they need to do is to just sign up, and they're saying, let me think about it. That can be disturbing, but I'm here to show you how you can handle, let me think about it. Now, I need us to go through the foundations of objections. Objections happen all the time. People feel bad about objections because nobody likes to be told no. We all want a yes. You want to go out there, get a deal, and quickly close a deal. We want a yes. But for you to get a yes, usually the normal thing is you would have gone through several no's. The basis of objection is this: nobody likes to be sold. People will do business with someone they like and trust, okay? If someone likes you and trusts you, then they will do business with you. That's what it is. Understand that prospects lie all the time. So this will be the number one thing you need to think about. A prospect will tell you, this is what I want to do, but at the back of their mind, they want to do the exact opposite. When somebody tells you, let me think about it, several things are at play. I'm going to show you how I was able to convert most of the let me think about it to action, because what you need is action. You need the person to take action, to review the business model again, to go through the tools again, to watch a presentation one more time, and then say yes. And for professionals prefer that prospects are very straight to the point. Tell me yes, tell me no, let me know where I am. A professional would ask these few questions to be sure, because a professional does not assume. By the way, amateurs are the ones that will pursue you. No, professionals sort. Okay? Professionals are known to sort. They know that everybody will not do the business. So when the prospect tells you, I am interested, but I am not so sure, then you ask that question. Is it that the price, the cost is too high, or you need more information to be able to arrive at a destination or make up your mind on something? If they tell you, I need more information, then you can give more information. You can give more information. Say, okay, fine, I'm going to send you this brochure. I'm going to send you this link. Go ahead, click on the link and watch the video. And then, of course, use if I would you. So if I give you this information, how soon can you take a look at it? I'm going to take a look at it maybe in 30 minutes time or before the close of work. You simply ask the second question. So if I called 30 minutes after that, would you have gone through the information for sure? and they say, yes, yes, I would have gone through the information, then note the time. By that time, you give them a call. But if they say it's not the information, it could also be the money. And when they talk about money, don't say, this is too cheap. But I saw you the other day, you just bought a new car, you just paid for a house, they just give you a raise at work. Oh, come on, you have the money to do that. No, amateurs will go that route, but professionals will not do that. Professionals are consultants, so they would ask questions. So when you say money is the issue, what exactly do you mean? Is it that you want to start from the biggest package or from the smallest package? Or is there a way we can take another look at the cost of what you're doing? Is it possible you could do instrumental payment? Or how much do you have really? Because sometimes some people or some prospects, when they see your network marketing business, they would like to start from the biggest. Maybe there's a premium package that has a lot of benefits, and that is where their eyes are on. So they might tell you, I don't have enough money. Meanwhile, they can actually afford the entry-level startup pack. So you could tell them, why don't you make payment for what you have already? Pay down the money that you already have, and then take your time and make up the cash for the rest of the packages you want to start up with. So that way, you are able to move them from not doing the business to now doing the business. Okay? That is just at the basis. That's the foundation of objection. I need you to understand that when somebody has an objection in network marketing, it's usually as a result of lack of belief, either in the person or in network marketing. So it's possible that the person does not believe in network marketing, or the person does not believe that he has the capacity to become successful in network marketing. Any objection whatsoever, somebody says, let me talk to my spouse. What that means is, I do not think I have the capacity to say yes to the business. I need to speak with my spouse, who would need to encourage me and tell me that I'm capable of doing this, so I will now decide whether or not to do it. When somebody says it's not my thing, it means the person does not believe in network marketing. Because if the person believes in network marketing, the person will understand that the business is actually for those that is not their thing. You can set up your business, work on it for a period of time, and then your business grows and keeps paying you. Do you understand? When someone says, I do not have money, it simply means the person does not believe in network marketing. Because if you believe in network marketing, you know that the business is actually perfect for people who do not have money. The mere fact that you do not have money qualifies you to be a candidate for network marketing. So objections, you will always find objections, because people are afraid to make the necessary change or changes that will move their lives around, that will take them to the top. Okay? That's exactly what it is. When a prospect says, let me think about it, remember the processes. First, ask a question. Do not just believe prospect, because prospects always lie. Yes. Ask that question, what do you exactly mean by you want to think about it? Is this a polite way of saying I'm not interested? Because if you're not interested, I'm okay by that. If they say no, quickly get to the second one. Since it's not the fact that you're not interested, that you are interested in the business. Since you said you are interested in the business, could it be that there's something you're not so sure about? You say, yes, there's something that I am not so sure about. Okay. Now, if you said there was something you're not so sure about, could it be that the money is an issue here, or you need more information that will help you make the final decision, to start the business or to buy the product? And the person says, okay, money issues. Then find a way on how to work around the money issues. If it's not money issues, give the person as much information as possible. If you click on the link above, there's a video I have that will help you work with your family and friends and get them back to see the business once more. This is Sam Ozani, the Bootstrap Entrepreneur. If you've not subscribed already, consider subscribing. I'm excited being with you here in this episode. We're discussing the prospects when they say, I want to think about it. When you are with a new prospect, consider the steps we've taken. When they tell you, I want to think about it, understand that there are ways you can guide the prospect towards making a decision. What if the prospect says, I want to think about it, and you ask the question and they say, actually, I'm not interested. I don't want to do the business. I don't want to be part of what you're doing. Two things. You could try to persuade someone against his opinion and you're still going to get a no. Or you could tell the prospect, Could you explain to me why you are not interested? You must have a story, because prospects usually have stories. Maybe they know someone that went through network marketing and was badly burnt, or they themselves, they've had terrible experience in network marketing. In that case, please do not try to sell what you're selling to the person. Do not try to pressure the person. All you need to do is tell me your story. Eric Warren says, if you meet a prospect who is so negative, well, usually negative people would not even get to the point of watching the video. But let's say for some reason they didn't quite understand what the business was until they've seen the opportunity, maybe the video, or maybe they've sat through a presentation or a home meeting or whatever. And then they'll now realize that this is actually network marketing. And they tell you, I'm not interested, and then when you probed a little bit, they said, okay, fine, I'm not interested. It's not my thing. I don't want to do the business. I don't want to be part of network marketing anymore. People don't just wake up and not want to be part of something amazing. So there has to be a reason. So ask the person for his story. Ask the person for his story. Because people always have stories why they make up their minds whether or not they do a particular thing. The person is going to tell you his story. Don't interject. Allow him or her to talk. Let them speak their minds. Let them pour out their minds. And when they are done, ask them a very simple question. Use the feel, felt, found. I'll repeat it again. Feel, felt, found. Oh, empathize with them and be genuine. I feel you. I understand what you're going through, or I feel what you went through. You lost money, you lost relationships, things didn't go as planned and as you wanted it to go. I understand you completely. In fact, I've felt the same way before, because usually for you to be where you are, you must have felt the same way too. And be genuine. Tell the person, I've felt the same way before. I discovered that I cannot vouch for all network marketing companies. I can't vouch for that particular company that treated you badly. Do you understand? But do you sincerely think that it was network marketing that failed you, or that particular company that failed you? Do you think it was network marketing that failed you, or your sponsor in that particular company? Who do you think failed you, your sponsor or network marketing? And they're going to tell you, network marketing is good. It's just that maybe I got myself into the wrong company. And there's a classic question I always ask people. I always ask them this question. Now that you tested it and it wasn't what you wanted, tell me the truth. Have you ever been in a relationship before? Usually they will say, yes, I've been in a relationship. Have you ever had a bad relationship where maybe you dated someone and the person ended up not getting married to you, and then something didn't work out again? Did you make up your mind that I will never ever be in love again? I will never ever date anyone. I will never ever be in a relationship anymore? Did you make up your mind to not be in a relationship ever again because of the heartbreak, or because someone disappointed you, or someone cheated on you? You say, oh, no. So, do you think relationship failed you, or the person failed you? They'll say, not relationship this time, but the person failed me. And you ask the person, are you open-minded to be in a relationship again when you see the right person? Assuming the person is married, they say, okay, fine. Because if you had said no, you wouldn't be married. They will say yes. Sometimes they chuckle and they just laugh and they say yes. That company might have failed you, but that does not represent all companies in network marketing. I can't vouch for that company, but I can vouch for what we have here. Do you understand? Then you pitch your sales, or you now explain why he should be in your company. That's just what it is. So in all of this, I hope I've made some sense, okay? I try to touch on a lot of things. So this is going to be a series. I'm going to be discussing different ways to handle different kinds of objections and making you that superstar you are meant to be. This was how I was able to build a 6-figure income business, knowing how to handle objections, practicing them. And of course, I failed sometimes. Things will never actually work 100% the way they are described. You have to just step out and be in the field to be able to experience this thing about being there to get things done. The experiences are really, really worth it, okay? I hope you're going to take what you've learned today and then implement it and share what you've learned with your team. Let them go through it and then implement. Let them apply so that they can also explode in their businesses. And this is Sam Ozani, the Bootstrap Entrepreneur. I'm so glad to be with you. Thank you for listening till this moment. See you at the next episode. Bye.